Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through how to use the Uber app in 2024. Whether you're a first time user or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download the Uber app. Open the Google Play Store if you're using an Android or the Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. Search for Uber and tap install. Once the app is installed, open it. Show the Uber app welcome. Highlight if you're new to Uber, tap on sign in to create an account. You'll need to enter your phone number, email address and create a password. If you already have an account, tap on login and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, set up your profile by entering your name and selecting a payment method. You can choose to pay with a credit card, debit card or even PayPal. Don't forget to add a profile picture for a personal touch. Now, to request a ride, on the home screen you see a map with your current location. Tap on the Where to box and enter your destination. You'll see various ride options like Uber X, Uber Pool and Uber Black. Select the one that suits you best and tap on Confirm. Once you've confirmed your ride, you'll see a map with your driver's location and estimated arrival time. You'll also see your driver's name, photo and car details. Make sure to verify these details when your ride arrives. During the ride, you can follow your route on the app. If you want to let someone know where you are, you can share your trip status with friends or family. And that's it. You're now ready to use the Uber app like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and safe travels.